Namaste. Today we are going to learn about Lakāraḥ, that is tenses and moods. Today we will learn about tenses. These are the 6 main Kālavāchakaḥ or tenses. Lat Lakāraḥ or Vartamana Kālaḥ means the present tense. Lang Lakāraḥ or Anadhyatana Bhuta Kālaḥ means imperfect past tense. Lung Lakāraḥ or Bhuta Kālaḥ, Aorist past tense. Lit Lakāraḥ or Paroksha Bhuta Kālaḥ is the perfect past tense. Lut Lakāraḥ or Anayatana Bhavishyat Kālaḥ is the first future tense. And last, Lut Lakāraḥ or Bhavishyat Kālaḥ is the second future tense. Out of these 6, the highlighted 3 are the most important. We will learn these today. But before that, there is some prerequisite knowledge that still needs to be acquired. First, let's learn the difference between Parasmaipadi, Atmanepadi and Ubhayapadi. Parasmaipadi are the verbs which indicate an action where the result is directed towards someone else. Atmanepadi are verbs that indicate an action where the result primarily benefits the doer. Ubhayapadi is where the verbs can be used in both Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi forms without a change in meaning. Now, let's learn about perspectives. In English grammar, we have first person, second person and third person. In a dhatu table, the first row has the third person, the second row has the second person and the last row has the first person. So in Samskritam grammar, we have Prathama Purushaha, which is the third person, Madhyama Purushaha, which is the second person, and Uttama Purushaha, which is the first person. Now let's move on to the tables, where we will see both Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi forms. Lat Lakāraḥ, present tense, Parasmaipadi. Bhu, bhav, to be. Bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavatah, bhavatha, bhavami, bhavavah, bhavamah. Lat Lakāraḥ, present tense, Atmanepadi. Vand, to salute. Vandate, vandete, vandante, vandase, vandethe, vandadhve, vande, vandavahe, vandamahe. Lung Lakāraḥ, Aorist past tense, Parasmaipadi. Bhu, bhav, to be. Abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan, abhavaha, abhavatam, abhavata, abhavam, abhavava, abhavam. Lung Lakāraḥ, Aorist past tense, Atmanepadi. Vand, to salute. Avandata, avandetam, avandanta, avandathaha, avandetham, avandadhvam, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Rit Lakāraḥ, second future tense, Parasmaipadi. Bhu, bhav, to be. Bhavishyati, bhavishyatah, bhavishyanti, bhavishyasi, bhavishyatah, bhavishyatha, bhavishyami, bhavishyavah, bhavishyamah. Rit Lakāraḥ, second future tense, Atmanepadi. Vand, to salute. Vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante, vandishyase, vandishyethe, vandishyadve, vandishye, vandishyavahe, vandishyamahe. Dhanyavadah.